Padlet, if you go to my Padlet under Orthographic, there is one class tutorial, which is this one. Okay, this one. This is something that we can do during class today. If you click on it, it will show you the tutorial that we can do as a practice, as for you to practice for your midterm assessment. So this is a block given all of the dimensions. So again, what you should do when you have a drawing like this, you should sketch it on paper. So you sketch on paper, and after you sketch and you put in all of the dimensions that you need to do it on AutoCAD. And once you've done that, and let me show you, I've done the sketch for this tutorial, and I also share it with you on my Padlet, which is this. Okay, so this is the sketch that I've drawn based on that isometric drawing. So now what you do is you transfer your sketch onto AutoCAD. Okay, so let's do this. Let's see. All right. So you do line. Let's start with this bottom view, right? With this bottom view, if I on AutoCAD, so I have it here. I type line, and then what I have is this is 15 and going outwards 35, 10 here, 10, and this is 40, and then it's 10. Okay, let's do that. Okay, start with from the bottom here. I go up. So make sure. Oh, I need to have my ortho on. I have my ortho on, and then I go move upwards 15 and enter. And then another going upwards again 35. Okay, and then I move to the right 10, move downwards 10, and then to the side here is 40, and going to the top upwards 10, to the right 10, going downwards 50, and then let's do 20 to the left. And then this empty space is 20, and then I can just type C, okay, to close it. So that's the front view, and then we need to also have these lines. So again, I use line. Oops, L-I-N-E, not L-I-N-B, L-I-N-E, and then my first point would be upwards 15. Okay, to the side here is 20, and yeah, going downwards here. I don't need to type anything because I already have OSNAP on. I just click on that, and then another one here this way. 9 from here. I go upwards 15, and then to the side. Let me do 20 and downwards there. I'm supposed to have this line also, so I can just connect this line, this point to this point, and I'm done. All right, and then I also have that hidden view just now, which I don't know yet unless I draw the circle at the top, right? And now what you need to do is to draw projection lines, right? To draw projection lines, remember we need to put a different layer. Because we need to hide it later. So let me create a new layer. I create a new layer. Oopsie. Create a new layer called projection. Okay, and let me load a new line type. I want my projection line. Let's use a phantom line. Okay, oops. Can't do that. Okay, let me look for phantom line. Can you use any kinds of line? Okay, phantom line. There are so many different kinds of phantom line. Let me try. Let's see this one. Okay, anything doesn't matter. And click on phantom. And okay. Let me also change the color. I want to use maybe this. nice color, like teal kind of color. Okay. All right, so make this current layer, click on this, you set current layer, or you can just double click here and make sure that the green tick is there and close it. So now let's do X line. X line, I want to do a vertical X line going up, so B. So now I can do my X line, I click on that, and then I need one here, I need one this point and another one here, and escape. Okay. If it's hiding your diagram, so you can click all of your X line just now, so that we place them to the back. You right click, draw order, send to back. So now the line is behind this white line. Okay. All right, so we have the projection lines going upwards, and now let's go back to set our current layers to this layer 0 just now, which was the default layer. Click on that, and now let's do the top view. Let's just use line again. Specify the first point. Let's just get any point. Okay, I'm just gonna just go up here a bit. I don't know, like okay, right there. Okay, and then go to the sides. Here is, so that's 20, right? I don't know yet. Okay, let's just move upwards. 25. 25 outwards, and then 50, and then another 25. Oopsie, another 25, and then, oh no, what did I do? Sorry, I did that 25, 50. New. From this point here, go outwards. 25. All right, and then to the sides is 60, and then go down. It's again 25, 50, 25, and then to the side here is 20. And then I have it going upwards, it's 5. I'm just going to make a line here. I will delete it later, and then going downwards here 5 and G. Okay. And let's make these lines, which is actually, I believe from here to here is 25, so just click that to here. And another one, line, it's from, oopsie, line, it's from here to here. So you see, I don't have to measure anything because I have OSnap on, and I've already set this as 25, 50, and 25. And then, yep, another line. This one, this line is 10. Oh, so it's actually from here to here is 10, and then going downwards until there. Okay. And then another line, which should be this to this. All right, so there should be a circle here, and also another circle here. So let's draw the circle. Okay. We can let me just find the midpoint here. Okay. I'm gonna just from here to here, I'm gonna just find the midpoint, okay, so that I can just, I don't know. Okay, let's do a circle. A circle of a center point. This is the center point, and then the radius is 10. Okay, so that's my circle. So later what I can do is I just trim this circle. Just click on that. Okay, and I can also delete this too. Alright, so we did one more circle here, escape. Another circle here should be in the middle. Look for the midpoint first. Okay, I'm just gonna make a line like that. Okay, draw a circle. I want it to be, okay, there I have my step on, so I know my midpoint is there, and then specify the radius of the circle or diameter. So the diameter is 30, so that means the radius is 15, or I can just type D for diameter and I just type 30. And there is my circle. Okay, so now I can just delete this line just now that I previously made. I made this as a guide just now because I wanted to know where the midpoint is. Okay, so let's see now. So we have that. And now we can, now that we know this is the circle, we can go back down and draw the hidden line. Okay, so go back to layer and make the projection line current and close it. So now I can do my X line, horizontal X line, because I want to, sorry, not horizontal, sorry. X line, let me do vertical X line going downwards, because I want to know where should I draw the hidden line at the front view for the circle. So I would click this circle. Oh, you know what? I think I can put the center there. It wouldn't show me, or maybe because I didn't do. Okay, escape again. I think it's a good idea if I do X line, horizontal X line, so that I know where that is. Yeah. Now that I have that on, let me just do all the horizontal lines for this object, so that we can project this top view to the right side view. Okay. Now what do we need now? We need to have 45-degree line, right? So we do X line. So we would choose angular and type 45, so that you have this 45-degree line. So choose any point. So I like to choose the top right point, like that. I choose that, click on that, and then escape. And now what you do next is all these lines, this horizontal X line that intersects with the 45-degree line, you bring it downward. So you do X line. This time you do vertical headline X line, and you click on all of these what do you call intersections. And I just realized there's actually, I didn't do a X line for the circle, but never mind, we can do that a bit later. Okay, escape. Now let's do X line for the front view. Yeah, horizontal X line for the front view to the right side view. Click on that and that. Okay. So you see it's getting crowded. So you can wait. So remember, you can bring all of these X line, right click it, draw order, send it to back, okay, so that you can see them better. Okay, so we're supposed to draw this right side view, and we kind of like already have the outline of the right side view. So let's change the current layer to the white layer. Okay, so now let's do line. Okay, I hope this works. So it's actually here to here, and then we go this way up to this line, and then we go up to here and go down to the side, downwards, click on that, and then go back there and enter. And then yeah, that is the side view. And then all I need to know is just put the center lines and the hidden lines. Alright, so this is getting confusing. So let's now, let me just turn this off. Turn the projection layers off. Alright, looking a bit better now. And we need to have, oh, this is wrong, see, it's supposed to be here. So now let's see now, that is, so these lines are wrong. I made it too long. Okay, so let's turn on the projection line again. Oops. Oops, sorry, I'm not supposed to do that. Okay. Here, turn it on. Okay, we're supposed to be until here, yeah, because this, let me bring it to this back because I couldn't see it just now. Ah, okay, now much better. What? We make that current layer. So now let's do the line. Be from here up to here only. Okay, and go down. All right, so that should be the correct line. And then we have this. This is supposed to be a center line for that circle, but we didn't draw the extension line from the end of the circle here to this side. So let's do that. Let me check my OSNAP. Okay, my OSNAP is supposed to let's get tangent. Let's try tangent if that will work. That's fine. Horizontal X line. Yes, now it works. Okay, tangent line there, another one there, and then one more here. And escape, and then let's do another X line going downwards vertically from here downwards, and then for this one here is this one going downwards. It's getting confusing. I think I should have made it a different color so they can see it. Alright, so let's now create a new layer called hidden line and change, let's load hidden line, hidden line. Let me just get, yeah, let's just get that one. Okay, and okay, change the color. Let's do that. Okay, and let's also create another one for center line. For center line, let me change to maybe a red, maybe, and then take the load the center line. So I see this now. Let's just get this should work. Center and okay, there you go. So now let's make the hidden line the current layer. Close it. So now let's draw the hidden line. It's supposed to be this one, right? Be a hidden line from here going downwards. Let's give it another one from here downwards. Enter. And there should be also another one here, right? But I forgot to make the extension line. Well, never mind. So let's now do the center line. Center line and close it. So let's do line. Center line is actually through this hole. Alright, so let me show you how it looks like without the projection line. There you go. So that's how it is. You see now, we are missing this part here, and then we are missing the hidden lines and center lines here too. Okay. So now let's bring back the projection line, and not just that. I have to draw X line, a vertical X line from this circle and this end of the circle and escape. So now I can draw the hidden line. INE hidden line to show this. So it should be from here. And suddenly my from here going downwards there, and another one is this one from here to down there, escape. And then to do the center line, I make it current, close it. Let's draw a line which goes through this, so therefore it's from here to here. Now I think we are done. I guess we are done now. So you can see that I actually made a mistake here in my projection line. There should be the hidden line should go through down there. And now what's left is to put on the labels. This is very important to have the labels. Let me just do that using mtext. Let me just get there. Oh my goodness. I forgot to change the layer. No. Okay, so let me get the layer to this layer and close it. So now mtext, enter. Let me put it up here, around there, and then just type top view. Did it work? Oops. Do that again. Mtext, first corner, second corner, and type top view. So that's my top view. And then another one here. Okay, right side. And that is done. So now all you need to do is put the dimensions. To put dimensions, you create a new layer called dimensions and change the color. Let's do yellow. Okay. And the line type also, well, that's default. You can actually make it thinner, but it's fine. Okay, it's okay. Let's make that the current layer. You turn it off and then you do your dimensions. Okay, you can do your dimension. See this too. If you want to do your quick dimension, you can do that. Okay, you can do quick dimension. Oopsie, what did I do? Enter. So I can have all my dimensions there. There we go. And I can even do quick dimension also, or maybe let me see, I can do here. Alright, so okay, remember, so this is not a good way to do dimension. Okay, so let's move this somewhere out there. Okay, and push it, bring it closer. Alright, it's much better. Okay, so you go ahead and complete all of the dimensions, and then you're done. And you can do diameter dimension like that, and in radius maybe like that. Okay, all right, sure, you can do that. And any more? Let's do for these. All right, there you go. Okay, so make sure you put the dimensions for the parts that's important to be given dimensions. And you will need, I just realized I have hidden lines that was not drawn yet, right? I missed the hidden line here and the hidden line here, so let's go and do that. Let's put back the projection line, and then let's draw hidden line, make it the current layer. So let's do line now. Should go through here. Should go from here to here and enter, and then another one down here, which is supposed to be from here to here. Okay, so it's from this, I go downwards, so this, and this, and enter. Now let me hide the projection line. Yeah, I think now it's a bit better. Okay, let me finish the dimension. Finish the dimension. So I need to do Q dimension. And so I can just dimension this, and this. And that. Alright, so you can see here these are redundant. If I already know that this is 25, right? So I don't have to show that this is 25 again. So I can delete that. Okay, this is also redundant because it's already shown that it's 25. I can have that delete, and this too I can have that delete because it's already shown that this is 50. Okay, I don't have this dimension yet, so I should go ahead and put the dimension here. Okay, anywhere else that I missed? I think we have everything. And then you go ahead and put your drawing in a title block. And so go ahead, check with the sketch. So I know that there should be a hidden line down here. And I guess we are done. Are we? Oh, we need one more here. One more dimension here. From here to here. So that's important. Without that, you can't draw it. Okay. All right. So that is all. This is how you draw the orthographic projection for this for that drawing. So thank you very much. For this one. So that's how I do it. All right.